All right, this is the basic platform. It's just a simple 8-foot by 30 inch made out of 2x3s. And then we topped it with half-inch MDF. When we look at the back side of it, you can see it's a very simple structure. Just a couple of supports in there as well to make it a little stronger. This is the space it's going to go in. That's why we designed it to that size, so it'll kind of fit perfectly in that range. We made 4 of these vertical supports. These are what the sheets lean against. They are 3.5 feet tall, and they have a 16-degree and a 74-degree angle, and then of course it's a right triangle. The top of the supports are glued and screwed together. These are the wheels we're going to use just because we had them laying around. And this is how the supports are screwed in, just 3.5 inch decking screws. Here's how it looks with the 4 vertical supports in place. These are all screwed down and glued down. These are the horizontal supports, and they're just screwed into the vertical supports, so everything is nice and tight and secure right now, as you can see by the wiggle test there. Then we took the other half of the MDF 4x8 sheets that we ripped down, and we put it in there vertically, so we can tuck some sheet goods inside of there as well, kind of small cutoff pieces. Then we made 4 stoppers and just kind of rounded the ends off with the bandsaw and then sanded them nice and smooth. On the other side of the rack, we made a little storage container for kind of cutoff pieces, short pieces, just whatever you can throw in there. And we put some side pieces on that to keep stuff in place. It's plenty sturdy. We're mostly just using scrap wood that we had laying around to do this because we didn't want to spend any money on this. On the bottom side, we attached the wheels to square pieces of 2x6, some leftover scrap we had, which raises it off the ground and makes it stronger. But the big thing is it raises it off the ground so that little Roomba, you do have a shop Roomba, right, can go underneath and clean under there. So there you have it. Here's what it looks like when it's all finished before anything is in it and loaded up with all your junk. And here's how it looks after you've loaded up with all your junk and scrap pieces and whatever. It's out of the way, it holds a ton of stuff, lots of sheet goods, and it didn't cost much to make. You can make it in a few hours, really, for not a whole lot of money. This is the part where I ask you to like and subscribe. Do it if you want, don't if you don't.